Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make stewed chicken and we will be serving it with coconut dumpling and breadfruit. I had some roasted breadfruit in the freezer, so I decided to take it out, thaw it out and steam it. Now if you do not want to steam your breadfruit, you can also fry it, alright? The first thing you want to do is to clean your chicken. You are going to soak it in some water, lime juice and vinegar. Then you are going to remove all the fat you do not want and remove all feathers. Then you are going to scrub them with some fresh lime, wash and season it. After you season, you are going to marinate your chicken, and that's totally up to you how long you want to marinate your chicken for, okay? I will place the measurements and ingredients in the description section. You can enjoy your stew with any starch and vegetables you prefer. On medium heat, I add my sugar to the pan and I'm going to caramelize it. And this will take a few minutes. You have to be there constantly, stirring occasionally because you don't want it to burn, right? And don't leave it long to caramelize because the longer you leave it, it will burn. And you can leave it to the color you want, just don't go overboard, okay? You don't want any bitter chicken. For someone who is trying stewed chicken for the first time, I will recommend that you keep your heat low since you are a first-time learner. After I'm satisfied with this dark brown color, I'm going to add my chicken. And you're going to give it a mix so it can be coated with the caramelized sugar. After, you are going to cover and let it produce its own liquid and brown. It should take about 5 to 8 minutes. Then you are going to repeat the process and cover the pot. And make sure all the chicken is coated. You can let one side brown, cover the pot, then flip it on the other side and let the other side brown. Now you're going to clean all that seasoning out of that bowl by adding some water and cover the pot until the chicken is nice and tender to your liking. It takes about 20 minutes to cook this chicken, and these chicken are very easy to cook too. And there you have it, your stewed chicken. When coming to the liquid, that is totally up to you how much you want to keep back in the pot, okay? This was enough to eat the dumplings and the breadfruit, just enough. No salt was added during the cooking process. That is because the salt and seasoning were just enough. Now we are going to prepare the dumplings, and you can do whatever dumplings you want, right? You can use cornmeal, plain, cassava. You can do whole wheat dumpling. You can put some carrots in your dumpling, some pumpkin. That's totally up to you. So you are going to add some salt to your flour and the coconut along with water and knead to a stiff dough. When kneading your dumplings for boiling, you want to do it a little more stiffer, right? So you can enjoy it. And to do that, don't add a lot of water to your dough, okay? Don't add too much water because this will result in a very soft dough. But if you add too much water, then you can add more flour and continue to knead until it's a bit stiffer, all right? And kneading can take up to 6 to 8 minutes. According to the amount of water is thrown into the flour, it may take less or more time when coming to the kneading. It does not have a specific time actually. After kneading, roll your dough into balls and flatten. Allow your water to boil before adding the dumplings and let boil for 20 to 30 minutes. And remember, when your dumplings are finished, they will float to the top of the water, and that is the time you want to turn off your stove. You can also put enough water to cover your dumplings when boiling. And here is the finger licking dish. Everyone enjoy their meal. Look at that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.